Hello, my name is Kishelle, and I'm here to introduce the Tayo Tayo Car series from ReviewㅅLEVERAM. This series has 10 books in total that talks about all types of cars from past to present. And this particular book, what I really love about this series is that, again, we can see the vivid artistry on the cover. So this particular book has different cars that are used for helping our community. And what I really like about it is they can learn the different sounds for each car. In every country, we have a different way of explaining the sounds for each car. So here we can learn how to say it in the Korean language. So here for the fire truck, we can make the beebo beebo sound. And whenever they see a fire truck in their community, they'll be able to use it in their everyday life. Another great fact about this book is that it has helpers along the way. So there are little characters that explain the different cars and different facts about everything that they're going to learn. When you open the book, we've got lots of different cars that are going to be explained in this book. And again, we have another character to give some facts and details about each type of car. What I like about this storybook especially is that it has a mixture of animation and of human beings. So here with the fire truck, we've got two firefighters using the fire hose. Additionally, on this bike here, we've got a person driving the car. So they can see how these cars are used in everyday life. So again, when we open our book, we can see the different types of cars and how they are on the interior as well. So not just seeing the outside of the car, but we can also see how each car is detailed from the inside. Again, we have our character giving us facts about the different cars as well as the sound that it will make. So again, with this ambulance, we have the sound beebo beebo that every student can use whenever they see the ambulance in their communities. As noted in the other books, we can also get different details about how each part of the vehicle works. So inside, we have little tips and our helpers to let us know everything about it. And what I especially like about this book in particular is that in addition to Korean, it also has the English name. So here, they know that it is the exhaust engine, and then they can learn the different Korean words to explain what the exhaust engine means in the Korean language. What is also great about this book is its background images. So here you can see how the vehicle is being used and how they can see it in their own lives. So again, in the back of the book, what I really like about it is at the end, we're still learning different things. At the end of each book, there's a quiz and all of the information is here. So the students can look at each and every vehicle to determine the answer. And if you're not quite sure what the answer is, you can find it here at the bottom of the book. Just turn it right side down, and then you can get the answer here. What I also like about these books is the vast variety. So in this particular book, we're learning about luxury vehicles. So even if they don't like something like this, where it's more industrial, they can have lots of luxury vehicles in this particular book. So again, when we open the book, we can see lots of luxury vehicles from past to present. They can learn about cars from back in the day and even from the 60s or even from the 1940s. Again, what I like about this book is that it's introducing the different characters. Throughout the book, we might have girls and boys and even some older characters. The first car here, we can see more of a presidential car, but additionally, we can see the inside of the car, which I think is probably one of the most interesting parts of the book. Students can learn about each aspect of the car and the importance of it. And using our helper, we can learn interesting facts about how each one works. What I like about this book as well is that in addition to the animated photos, we've got past photos from history and time. So now we can not only see the cars in its very animated version here, but the black and white versions. So students can learn about Mercedes-Benz when it was first developed. And in the back of the book here, we can also learn about luxury vehicles from past to present and from different countries. In this particular book, we can see a luxury vehicle from Japan from long ago, and also too, we can see a luxury vehicle for the future. Again, like in our previous book, we'll have a quiz noted by one of our new friends here. And then, of course, the answer will be depicted here at the bottom of the book. What I like about this book series, in addition to its amazing pictures and sounds, we can learn many new ways of how to speak Korean and how to use these words in our everyday lives. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in learning more about these books and getting more details, look at the description box below. Bye-bye.